Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change currency on Booking.com. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, go to your web browser. Now search for Booking.com, or you can also install app. Tap on the first link and here you will see this kind of interface. Now tap on 3 lines at the top. At the top, it will see that my currency is set to PKR rupees. Now if you want to change it, tap on it. From here you can select new currency. For example, I will change it to euro. And now when I go back to the home page and tap on search, you will see all the prices are in euro. Similarly, you can change it to anything. For example, I will change it back to USD dollars. Now go to home page and tap search, and here you can see it is in dollars. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.